Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to delete a user on Google Workspace. Whether you're streamlining your team or clearing up unused accounts, this straightforward guide will help you manage your Google Workspace efficiently. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace website. Once there, locate the admin console, which is essential for managing your organization's users and settings. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Be sure to use your business email to access your administrator account, as only users with administrative privileges can make changes to user accounts. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Google Apps menu, often displayed as a grid of dots. Click on this menu to see the available Google Apps and select the admin icon to access the administrator's space. In the admin section, click on the Home link to reach the main dashboard. From the home screen, focus on the Users section, where you'll find an option to delete a user. Click on this option to continue. Now, it's crucial to enter the account name of the user you intend to delete. Double-check the spelling to ensure you're targeting the correct account. Once entered, click on the user's account name to select it. With the correct account highlighted, you'll see a Proceed option. Click on it to move to the final step of the deletion process. Here, you'll review the details to confirm everything is in order. The last step involves clicking Delete User. A prompt will ask you to agree to the terms, acknowledging that the deletion is permanent and any data associated with the account will be lost. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. And there you have it. Your user account is successfully deleted from Google Workspace. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless process while maintaining organization within your workspace. Remember, it's always a good practice to back up essential data before proceeding with deletion. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help simplify your tech management needs.